In case they take the listing down, this is the Copart website where they've already listed my 2015 Jaguar XF as an upcoming auction. And on the site here, this has all the specifications. Never an estimate of how much it costs to fix the car. Just all of the enhanced specifications. Getting it ready for a good sale. And we haven't even finished processing that. It's a total loss because, in my opinion, it is not. Look at it. I drove this car after the incident. I drove it, looks like about 7 miles to the next store. Might not have been 7, might have been 4. But I think 7 because I have the ability for it to automatically do trip reports every time I start a new trip. So from the time that the incident occurred to the time that I parked the car at the gas station was 7 miles. Look at that car. It's almost perfect shape. Just, cosmetic stuff. Total loss, they say. Total loss. Total loss. It's bullshit. Trying to take my car. For nothing. There's a smart start interlock device that's got to come out. And they already got the thing listed as for sale. The airbag here. I saw on eBay where I could get an airbag for less than $300. Or you can get that and replace that module in the same steering wheel. It only came out because there was a big bump when it bottomed out on coming back across the ditch. I drove the car afterwards. The car is not totaled. "7 miles. I drove it after it was wrecked. It wasn't even wrecked. It just ran off the road. New engine that I got, almost new. This is my car. They're trying to take my car.